look her reach. I see people smiling, babies laughing. This is definitely a great environment and energy. So the great thing I love about this orchard is that you can actually taste the apples, which is so cool. This one is more sweet, a little drier. And here are the green apples, which used to be my absolute favorite growing up. So how cool is that, that there's actually a wasp nest that they actually made around the apple. So these are gala apples, and these are my actual favorite apples. Super sweet. Sometimes trying new things isn't about adrenaline and grand adventures. It's about reconnecting to what we often overlook. The quiet, ordinary moments that fills our life with meaning. Each row feels like a tunnel of peace and tranquility. All of these trees abundant with apples, to me is just an example, an expression of just how much nature provides. No deadlines, no notifications, just the whisper of the leaves and the wind, moving at the pace of nature. When we slow down, life starts to feel full again. It's not about having more, it's about seeing more. It's easy to fall into routine, same roads, same habits, same conversations. But the truth is, growth often happens when you step out of your comfort zone. Even something simple as apple picking can shift your perspective. Because it's not about the apples, it's about the experience. Trying something new doesn't always mean doing something big. Sometimes it means saying yes to the small things. The things that remind you that life can still surprise you. So this is the moment right here. Picking an apple from the tree and eating it under the tree it grew from. And this apple's delicious. The farmer told me something I won't forget. He said, the trees don't rush. They know their time. And maybe that's what nature is trying to teach us. Patience, trust, and faith that every season has purpose. As the sun dips down, I can't help but feel a quiet peace. I came here to try something new, but I'm definitely leaving here with something different. The real true meaning of life is built one simple moment at a time. So wherever you are, try something new this week. Take a different road, try something fresh, notice something you stopped noticing. And be intentional, experiencing this one life, this gift of a life that we all have. As always, family, True Tribe likes and subscribe. Thank you for following my journey. Peace, love, and light.